If you're on the hunt for the ultimate tool to capture stunning moments and elevate your photography game, look no further than the best professional camera. Designed to meet the demanding needs of photographers, these top-tier cameras combine cutting-edge technology, precision engineering, and exceptional image quality. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best professional cameras you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Canon EOS R3 emerges as the 5th best professional camera, but its impact is beyond rankings. It's a symphony of precision and emotion for discerning photographers. This mirrorless marvel with a 45-megapixel full-frame sensor and Canon RF lens mount is a virtuoso in the realm of professional photography. For sports enthusiasts, the EOS R3 is a kinetic revelation. Its blackout-free 30 FPS stills and 6K RAW video capabilities transform moments into timeless masterpieces. The autofocus prowess, complemented by the ethereal eye control AF, ensures every frame is an intentional creation. Beyond the specifications, the R3 sets a dynamic range benchmark, outshining rivals with lower pixel counts. At 24.1 megapixel, it strikes a balance between detail and manageability, ideal for sports professionals navigating intensive workflows. The cherry on top? Seamless focus point adjustments by merely glancing through the viewfinder, an intimate connection between photographer and subject. Priced at $49.99 the Canon EOS R3 is more than a camera. It's an emotive storyteller, capturing the essence of every moment with unparalleled precision and grace. Behold the Nikon Z9, a symphony of artistry and technology that claims its throne as the number 4 best professional camera. Packed with a 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor and the almighty Speed 7 image processing, it's not just a camera, it's a visionary's brushstroke. Its autofocus dances with the swiftness of a maestro, capturing the fastest subjects and frame rates effortlessly. The magic doesn't stop there. Deep learning elevates subject detection to an ethereal level. People, cats, dogs, birds, cars, motorcycles, bicycles, trains, and planes are not mere elements. They're poetry, effortlessly tracked in both stills and videos with no menu fuss. This marvel can summon 45.7 megapixel stills at 20 or 30 FPS, or perform a cinematic ballet at 120 FPS stills with no viewfinder blackout. And when it comes to videography, the Z9 is a virtuoso. It captures 8K 30p video in camera for over 2 hours, and its 4K 120p slow-motion capability is a cinematic dream. Yet the pièce de résistance is the price, $54.96, a small fee for a ticket to this visual symphony where every frame is a masterpiece. Meet the Sony Alpha 9 III, crowned the number 3 best professional camera, a masterpiece that transcends the boundaries of photography. At its core lies the world's first full-frame global shutter, a technological marvel that captures fast-moving subjects without a hint of distortion. Witness the magic of 120 FPS continuous shooting, where every frame is a timeless masterpiece and blackout-free moments unfold seamlessly. Preserving split-second instances becomes an art with the Alpha 9 III's 1 by 80,000 second maximum shutter speed, allowing you to seize life's fleeting moments in any scenario. The 24.6 megapixel Exmor RS image sensor, with its backside illuminated brilliance, ensures distortion-free capture of even the swiftest subjects. Fueling this photographic prowess is the evolved Bionz XR image processing engine, a powerhouse that breathes life into colors, delivers realistic reproductions, and diminishes image noise. This camera, priced at $59.99, is a testament to Sony's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of professional photography. Elevate your artistry and embrace the Alpha 9 III, where technology meets emotion and every click tells a story. Introducing the Fujifilm GFX 100 Mark II, a photographic marvel that redefines professional imaging. Garnering the coveted position as the #2 best professional camera, this masterpiece excels in resolution, making it the go-to choice for photographers seeking the pinnacle of medium format capabilities. Within its compact frame, the GFX 100 Mark II houses a breathtaking 102 megapixel medium format sensor, rivaling the resolution of bulkier DSLRs. Surprisingly nimble for its category, it's a dream companion for street photography. Boasting in-body image stabilization that rivals systems on smaller full-frame counterparts. Although lacking the vertical grip of its pricier sibling, the GFX 100, its newer features are condensed into a more affordable, yet equally powerful package. Despite the heft of Fujifilm's medium format lenses, the GFX 100 Mark II delivers unparalleled image quality, making it almost unbearable for stills. It doesn't stop there. This photographic marvel also impresses with its capability to shoot remarkable 8K 30p video. Priced at $74.99, the GFX 100 Mark II proves that excellence doesn't have to come with an exorbitant price tag, offering professionals an extraordinary tool for their craft. The Sony Alpha 1 stands as the unrivaled champion in the realm of professional cameras, wearing the crown of a true jack-of-all-trades. With a 50.1 megapixel full-frame sensor, it flaunts an astounding 30 FPS continuous shooting speed for sports, capturing fine details with unparalleled resolution and diving into the realm of cinematic excellence with 8K video recording capabilities. Yet this photographic maestro does not come without its sacrifices. Its royal stature demands a princely sum, $64.98, more expensive than even the Nikon Z9. Despite its stellar performance, occasional hiccups in achieving the promised 30 FPS burst and the absence of a fully articulating screen may leave enthusiasts wanting more. The juxtaposition of an 8K powerhouse with a tilting screen seems an oversight in the eyes of some. Nevertheless, for those seeking a versatile tool capable of tackling any photographic challenge, the Alpha 1 emerges as a compelling choice. Nevertheless, if you seek a camera ready to conquer any assignment, albeit at a premium, the Sony Alpha 1 reigns supreme at $64.98, a crown jewel in the realm of professional photography. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.